Okay, so I want everyone to have at least two massing models. So if this is my first one, I need to create one more. So I'm going to copy these. And maybe this one I'll mass a different way. So maybe this instead I'll rotate. And I can set my center of rotation right here. And then I'll move this all the way back to here. So I have two different massings. I might also decide on this one to have a different roof profile. So perhaps I will create a just a different roof on here. I'm going to turn project off. And then I'm going to explode this for a minute. And then I'm going to take this and split it, make that my cutting object. And then I'm going to join these together. I'm going to do move edge. I'm going to select this and hit enter, and then I should be able to move that, oops, Control Z, move that straight up. And then I can join all this back together and cap it. So let's say, and maybe I want this more in the middle. So I'm going to select this, move, and bring this more in the middle of my shape. This is kind of ugly, but I'm just going to go with it for examples for right now. And actually, let's do one more thing. I'm going to do a move face. I'm going to bring this face and bring it into here so it doesn't pop out from there. Okay, so let's say these are my two massings. I now want to be able to 3D print them. So the first thing I want to do is make sure that they are solid objects. Right now they're all separate. So generally you'll select both your masses. Each one should be a closed extrusion, and then I'm just going to type in Boolean union and hit enter. And it should now be one solid closed poly surface. You always want to say one closed poly surface, that means it's working. Okay, with this one, same thing. I'm going to select the two, and I'm going to do Boolean join, Boolean union. And now you can see it's all one shape and it's one closed poly surface. Okay, so now I need to get them at the right scale. We are going to print these itty bitty because our printer is itty bitty. So our printer is only 10 inches, really at most, right? It's 10 inches by 10 inches, and we want to be able to print a lot of these. So I think we're going to do 64th scale. So we're going to see what that looks like. So I'm going to select this and type in scale, and I'm going to give it a base point. Actually, really quick, let's do a quick save as. I'm going to do file, save a copy, and I want to save this as 3D print and hit save. That way I'm not messing with my original file. Once I've done that, I can hide all of this stuff other than my massing because I don't need anything else. Okay, so I'm going to take this and type in, and I can do both at the same time. I'm going to take these and type in scale. And I'm going to give it a base point. And here I'm going to do 1/12. That's going to make it so that it's at like 1 inch to 1 inch scale. 1 foot equals 1 inch scale. Now to get down to 64th, I'm going to select both and type in scale again. And this time I'm going to do 1/64 and hit enter. And then I can do Z enter, S enter, so I can zoom in on what I just made. Those are looking pretty good. Let's move them. I'm just going to type in move, select one corner, and type in 0, 0, 0 to bring them to the origin. And then I'm going to do Z enter, S enter to bring me over there. Okay, so here they are. Let's check how big they wound up being. So I'm going to check my distance here. So these are going to be, I want to know in inches. So let me try again, distance. And I'm going to change my units to be fractional inches. Let's just see how big they are. These are about 3/4 of an inch. I think that's fine because then we can fit a lot of them on one and you can take a look at them and see what you think. Okay, so once you have these, you're going to select it and type in File, Export Selected. And here I want you to type in your name and then 3D Print 1. I want you to save it as an STL. So I'm going to look down until I look for STL. And here I'll hit save and hit OK. And then this one, hit OK again. And here I'm going to select this, type in file, export selected, and I'm going to do it again, Zay, or your name, and then 3D print 2, and hit save. And then I want both of those files uploaded to Canvas. You can also give me this new copy of your Rhino file you made in case we have to change anything in terms of scale. Thank you.